Okay, welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna be going over 8 things you need to do to get your home winter ready. And we're gonna go outside and take care of some of that. And to start, we need to change.
What the? No, sorry. Hold on 1 second.
Much better. Let's get going. All right, so step 1. You're gonna grab your metal lever here and you're gonna close your crawl space vent by pulling it. And you'll hear it thud. Good to go. Step 2, you're gonna shut off your AC units on the outside and then you're gonna cover them. Like that. Step 3, unscrew any of your exterior hoses. Ta-da! Okay, I'm about to get to step 4, but check out this moth I just found. What the heck? This thing is huge. Look, the size of my finger. Oh my gosh. Step 4, fix any damage on your house that's gonna make water intrusion easier. What we're talking about is spots like that where the caulk is cracked. Get up there, recaulk it. Even if you don't paint it, caulk is still better than water damage. Step 5, shut off your sprinkler system at the panel. And then you need to call and get it scheduled to be blown out. I'll have some companies in the comments below. Step 6, don't forget to do your pre-winter lawn treatments. So I want to show you, we just had this sod put in this season, so it hasn't been getting all the fertilizations that this grass has had. Plus this grass is, established. But your grass will look like this compared to your neighbor's beautiful grass like that if you don't get the correct fertilization treatments on your lawn. Step 7, you need to seal any gaps to the outside. So I'm gonna flip this and show you this door right here. So when I turn off the light, you can see all that light coming through. That's just a spot for bugs and moisture to come right into your house. Not good. Step 8, you need to be checking your HVAC filters and making sure that everything is good to go and they're nice and clean. You should be changing them every 3 to 4 months. If you're not, odds are when you go to kick on your heating for the winter, your system may jam up. If that's the case, before you call an HVAC tech, check your filters. You can save yourself $100, $150. And that's it. So if you need help with any of those services, reach out to me, text or email, and I'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching.